Here we have a sunny day. We have a Xperia Z tablet sgp321. Okay, I was trying to get a clean LCD. So there is a tool for people who gonna remove the LCD or replace it. If you don't buy the frame, I mean if you are trying to buy only the LCD without frame, so okay, here we have a connector for the LCD and connector for the digitizer. Okay, so first, if you are going to remove, so there is no problem to pass everywhere. So this is it was like this. Okay, it was like this. So here we have the strip for the digitizer connector. The logo of the Sony is here, I mean. Okay, this logo is here, top left. Here we have the connector for digitizer, and you have to care a little. Yeah, but this is the this square place is the bottom of the LCD. Here you will not touch. Okay, you will not arrive here. So work easily. It took time to separate, but just be careful when you arrive to the strip of the digitizer. But for the strip of the LCD, it is here, and when you see it's like this. We'll try to pass. Okay, that's good. So it's connect to, they use this connector, just connected from this line. Okay, and just to remove it, when you remove the back, it is not a glass like old Sony. It's just a flexible, you can see, flexible plastic sheet. So anyway, just be careful when you arrive here. Now I will try to remove. I'm gonna test the LCD if it work. And sorry if I am using my only two hands. Okay, I will try to remove this front. Okay, this front glass, and then I will replace it. But for this case I bought LCD with the frame, about $65 or $67 with the customs. It would be about I don't know, maybe 75. Anyway, now it's time to disassemble the